Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Which of the following functionalities are characteristics of Amazon S3? Select 2.
Hola, it's my cloud.
Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service, is a cloud-based object storage service provided by AWS. It allows individuals and businesses to store and retrieve data, such as documents, images, videos, backups, and application data, over the Internet. Amazon S3 is designed to be highly scalable, secure, and durable. It offers a simple web services interface, making it easy to integrate with various applications and services. Users can access their stored data from anywhere with an internet connection, making it a reliable solution for data storage, backup, and content distribution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you chose the right answer. See you in the next video.